There are a couple of different ways that allow you to take a screenshot on POCO M8 5G. The classic method is to use the combination of two buttons, the power button and volume down button. So if you press both of these buttons at once, you will easily capture the full screenshot. Besides that, we have gestures. So with 3 fingers, you can swipe from the top towards the bottom of the screen, and this also allows you to capture a full screenshot. You can also press and hold 3 fingers in order to then capture a partial screenshot or selective screenshot. So you can select the area and crop everything out, and then of course save the selected area as a screenshot. Simple as that. Now, if any of these buttons, the power button and volume down, or if gestures do not work for you, then you can open settings, scroll down in here and go to additional settings. After that, we can find the gesture shortcuts, and then here we have take a screenshot, where we have 2 options in here, and the partial screenshot. So make sure that these options are enabled if you want to use them. Besides that, in the control center, you can also find the screenshot option, so you can tap on this button over here, the scissors, in order to capture a full screenshot. And there is also a less known way to capture a screenshot. If we go to additional settings and open accessibility, and if we enable accessibility menu shortcut, there we go, then in here we can find the screenshot button as well. So this is also possible. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.